A docking hub from J5Create is a convenient way to expand the ports on your laptop and connect multiple devices at once. These docks usually connect through a USB-C or Thunderbolt port and provide extra connections like HDMI for monitors, USB ports for accessories, Ethernet for wired internet, and SD card slots for storage devices. Once connected properly, a J5 Create USB-C docking station can turn a simple laptop setup into a full workstation for work, streaming, or multitasking. The setup process is quick, and most systems automatically detect the dock after installation. Step 1. Connect the USB-C cable from the J5 Create dock to your laptop. Step 2. Plug the dock's power adapter into a wall outlet if your model requires external power. Step 3. Download and install the J5 Create driver utility from the official website. Step 4. Attach your monitor, keyboard, mouse, or Ethernet cable to the dock's ports. Step 5. Open your display settings to extend or adjust your external monitor setup.